What's up, WolfPack? Has someone ever told you maybe you need to talk to someone? If so, check out Madison College's counseling services. All appointments are free and completely confidential. Services include academic, career, conflict management, and crisis counseling. Counselors offer workshops each semester, currently offered online. Examples of workshop topics include tips on handling isolation, learning time management skills, and talking about what is and isn't working for you as a student. You can find a listing of workshops on the counseling website, madisoncollege.edu/counseling. There are many other resources available as well. Check out helpful videos by Madison College counselors, as well as links to outside resources.
Hi, I'm Deb Olson. I'm one of the counselors at Madison College. Our department, Counseling and College Success, is creating some quick resources that you can access online.
Outside resources provided include phone numbers for suicide prevention hotlines, 12-step AA meeting links, and some non-12-step resources. Take advantage of the services offered to help you in your academic and personal life. To schedule an appointment, call 608-246-6076 or email counselingservices@madisoncollege.edu. Meetings are done via phone or WebEx. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WolfPack wisdom.